How to install TikTok Ads Pixel on Shopify. So first, what you're going to do is you have to create an advertiser account or you have to open this TikTok Ads Manager. To do that, all you have to do is to fill in some information here like the email, password, verification code. You have to click these two boxes right here and then click sign up. Once you have an account, this is what it looks like. This is the interface of TikTok Ads Manager. So what you're going to do is to click Tools right here. Now scroll down and you have to look for Events. So click Events and wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. As you can see, welcome to Events Manager. You can read some information here, but you can also scroll down and click this Get Started. Now select data source. We have web, app, offline. You can see the instruction each, but for this tutorial, we're going to connect our Shopify to TikTok. So we have to click this web right here, tap this one, click next. And then for create pixel, you can choose between manual setup or partner setup. So you have to click this partner setup, click next. As you can see, connect with TikTok. So here, choose a partner, obviously Shopify, and then click next. Now click this Open Shopify application to allow this TikTok to have access to your Shopify store. So this is what it looks like. And if you can see the TikTok here, you can go to the search bar and then type TikTok, click TikTok, and then look for TikTok free to install. So click this one. Now you can read some instruction and information below or just click install directly. Wait for a couple of seconds and then this app needs access to, just click install. Now you have to wait again and this is what it looks like. So here you just have to simply set up your account here. Now you have to connect your TikTok business accounts or connect TikTok for business, click connect. After that, you just have to click this connect right here or you can switch user if you want. So you have connected your Shopify or your TikTok to your Shopify. Now click the TikTok business name or center account. Now here you have to click and add your TikTok ads manager. For data sharing, it is advised or recommended to click this maximum. So this is your TikTok pixel for Shopify number. Now click confirm. Okay, wait for a couple of seconds and you can finish your setup. And that's it. That's how easy it is. Now you can create a campaign if you want. So if we go back to our TikTok Ads Manager or specifically to our Events Manager, okay, so let me go back first. Here, what we're going to do is we just have to refresh, okay, go back to Tools or Refresh, and then click Events. Now here you will see your TikTok Ads pixels on Shopify. Okay, so it is already connected and you can set up your payment account or you can also connect data source. If you haven't, verified your account, you need to verify your account in order for you to smoothly use all the features inside this TikTok Ads Manager as well as your Shopify. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.